In this video I'm going to show you how to make multiple snaps at once on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat, and there you can hit on that record button to take a snap. It takes just one snap for a time, but if you want to take more snaps you have to hit on that cross icon and next tap there on that plus icon. It gives you some different extra options, and from here you can scroll down for a bit and there select multi-snap. Now you can take up to 10 pictures at once. Just tap there at record button and now you can take up to 10 different pictures. And now there you can continue taking the pictures and then just tap there at send to and send this snap to your friends as you normally do. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.